Hi, my name is Caitlin O'Neill, and this is my how-to demonstration speech. I'm here today to tell you and show you how to check the oil level in your car. Have you ever wondered how mechanics know when it's time for a car's oil to be changed? Car maintenance is something that's very important if you want your vehicle to last you a long time. This is something you need to know how to do, and it's something you can even do from the safety of your house. According to AT&T, most engines today have a recommended oil change interval of 5,000 to 7,500 miles, which means based on your car's age, mileage, and make, you can have different times in which an oil change is necessary. To know exactly when your car needs another oil change, or even if it's leaking oil, that's the skill I'll be teaching you today. This skill is only a couple steps, and it is super easy to do. First, you need to locate a dirty rag that you don't mind getting oil on. An old shirt works great, but if that isn't available, you can use a paper towel. Second, you have to stop the engine and get out of the car. For the best results, park your car on a flat horizontal surface, not on a driveway. Cardin's Auto Group states that it takes about 30 minutes on average for your car to cool down. So you have about a 30-minute window to check your car's oil. Because your car needs to be hot to get an accurate measurement. Keep in mind, it's important to make sure that your engine isn't super hot, or you can run the risk of burning yourself from touching it. Step 3, as shown on the first slide of my PowerPoint, is to open up the hood of your car. Most cars have a pull handle on the driver's side of the car near your gas handle. Pull this and walk to the front of the car, as you can see in this video. You will feel for a latch near the middle of the hood. Once you have found it, unclip it and lift the hood up. For your safety, it's important to place the hood rod to secure the hood of your car. Step 4, as seen in the next slide, is to locate the dipstick. In most cars, the dipstick is located on the left side of the engine. If you are still stuck, use this picture as reference. Most cars, like mine, have a dipstick with a circular end, which is a bright color like yellow, so it's easy to find. Step 5 is to remove the dipstick from the side of the engine, and a long piece of metal will come out. This is the dipstick itself. For step 6, I detailed this in a video. So to clean the dipstick, you take it out, wipe it with a towel, and reinsert it, making sure that it goes all the way back in. This is because the first test isn't an accurate measurement. Step 7, you remove the dipstick again, and you look at one of two things. First, you look at the color of the oil. As seen on the oil chart I provided, your oil is supposed to be an orangey yellow color. Anything dark like brown, red, or black means it's time to get an oil change and see the mechanics. Step 8 is to look for the oil level on the dipstick. Using the example I provided, this can be indicated by 2 dots or even a line that says full in the newer cars. Either way, look at where your oil stops. If it's under the second dot, like in picture 2, your oil is low. Don't get scared if your oil is low. There are many reasons why your oil could be low, like it wasn't changed right by the mechanics, but sometimes it can mean that your car is leaking oil. And just as an FYI, this is common with older cars like mine, so keep an eye out for that if you're doing an oil check. Step 9 is to evaluate your oil level. If your oil level is normal, as seen in the first picture, reinsert your dipstick and close the hood of your car. You have completed your oil check. If it's below normal, as seen in picture 2, then you need to look at if the oil is clean. If it's still yellowish and looks clean, all you'll have to do is add more oil to your engine with a funnel. If the oil is low and dirty, as seen in the last picture, you need to get an oil change. So as you can see, this is an easy task you can do at home to help tell exactly when your car is due for an oil change. I hope you learned a lot from my presentation, and we'll check the oil in your car in the near future. Thank you for your time, and have a nice day.